So for the third trimester project, you come in, you get your class folder. There is Leonardo's left to right exercise, which is the in-class exercise that they do, activity. And then there are these handouts for the students, and you can fold them like a little trifold, and then they have these little pamphlets. There's one for each student in the folder. And there's a little luggage cart if you'd like to put the supplies on it. But right here is where everything you need for this last project is. And here you have the instructions for the docents and the templates for the students to trace their faces. In this bin, here's a book to provide you some more background information, and the mirrors so that the students can look at themselves and get the details. If you could be very careful to keep your hands clean as you're pulling out just your class's amount. Would like to keep it in the bin, in the plastic, to keep it clean and something that the students are excited to work with. If they make a mistake on one side, they can go ahead and turn it over, but it's expensive, so let's try to keep it to 1 page per student. In this bin, there's a packet for each student. In each packet, there are 3 pencils, a graphite pencil, a stump, and 2 erasers. Please make sure that all 7 items are in each bag when the students turn them in. There's also a bag of pencil sharpeners. So you'll need to do the presentation in the classroom. That's the room that has the Wi-Fi and the Pro board. Also, the Leonardo exercise, you'll want to do that in the classroom. Partway through, it's fun to pass out the mirrors at that point so that they can use the mirrors to see how they did and what Leonardo wrote. And then it's up to you if you want to do, and the teacher, if you'd like to do the portrait part in the classroom or in the art room. It's up to you. So depending on your comfort level, you might want to do step by step with the students and do an example and then have them do that part. Do an eye, have them do that. Do the nose, have them do that. Or you may want to just hand out the pamphlets and then go around and help the students as they're working on it at their own pace. It's up to your comfort level and what the teacher requests and what works with them. So work with the teacher, communicate with the teacher to come up with a plan for that. So when the kids are done, they can take their portraits home. Cleanup's pretty simple. We'd like the mirrors back. And then the important part, we'd like the templates back. The important part though is that each student puts back in items in each bag, should be sealed and go back into